Heidi-ho everybody, and welcome to today's adventure. For today, I went to 3 different delis and tried 3 different bagel sandwiches with flocks and salmon on them. I also tried some of their baked goods. In between, I also stopped by the Lion King Broadway show, and I'll show you a preview of that. I went to 3 different delis, and I'm going to rate these 3 sandwiches going from 3 down to 1 being the best. Now please hit that like and subscribe button. Tell me whether you like these sandwiches, like bagels, have been to New York City, and like this review. Now let's get started with our exciting adventure. So here we are in New York City. I took the public transportation around to some of the best bagel joints there were. On every street corner, there were 250 million restaurants. My first stop was at Orwashers Bakery. This is a full-service bakery that has sandwiches and baked goods, fresh bread, and even coffee. Here we have some delicious homemade donuts. I wish I could have had one of everything. Croissants, which I later tried. Different types of bagel sandwiches, which we're going to try the lox version. Cookies, breads, deli sandwiches. I was there to try the real New York breakfast. The real New York breakfast bagel consists of Orwashers double-dipped everything bagel smeared with dill cream cheese, lox, onion, and lemon zest. There is hand-cut smoked salmon cured in pure sea salt and fresh herbs, and was small batch smoked in an aged oak whiskey barrel. And this is all on an everything bagel. After all that work, let's give this a try. There it is. Now all of these were delicious. You can't go wrong with any of them. This is my first lox bagel and I absolutely love it. I love the seasoning and the herb of the everything bagel. I love the flavor of the salty and slightly fishy salmon. It's not too fishy. The delicious cream cheese, the onions, and the capers. This all works together well. It's very flavorful. Compared to the other ones, this one didn't have as many ingredients on it. So even though this was absolutely delicious, I'm going to put this at number 3 out of my list of 3, just because the other ones had more stuff on it. But you can't go wrong with this one, so give it a try. On my way out, I grabbed an almond croissant, which was $5.50. This was a homemade croissant with powdered sugar, almonds, and dough. This is very good. It was very light, very fluffy, delicious almonds on it. I thought maybe the croissant could be a little more moist, but it was still very, very good. I would probably give this 7 out of 10 chef's hats. Next, I moseyed on down the street to a place called Bagel Talk. This is a full-service deli with different types of meat, pâtés, pickles, muffins, desserts, and even drinks. They have a large full menu and also specialty sandwiches. The sandwich I tried was their wolf sandwich, and this was their lox sandwich. The wolf sandwich consisted of... oh god, they're after me. Oh my gosh, they caught me. Anyway, the wolf sandwich consisted of scallion cream cheese, lox capers, and tomatoes on an everything bagel. and I sat outside admiring the beautiful weather and the police chasing everybody. The one thing I immediately noticed about this bagel, besides being overly expensive, was it had a lot more meat on it. This was delicious. The lox was fresh, slightly salty, a little bit salmony. The bagel was really good. Just the right amount of cream, cheese, and herbs. It was maybe a little more flavorful, better mouthfeel than the other one, and a lot more meat. It was also bigger and extremely expensive. Because of that, I'm going to put this at number 2 on my lox bagel list. Definitely worth a try. After that, I decided to catch the Lion King show in Times Square. So I moseyed on over to Times Square, walked around and looked at some of the pretty signs and the lights. And there is the Lion King Theater over on the side of that building. So here is the entrance to the Miskoff Theater. You then walked into the main lobby and up some stairs to get into your seats. Whee! Up on the second level was a bar, refreshment stand, and also a souvenir stand. And at the end, I'll show you a little artsy display that they had. This is the main theater, where you're not really allowed to take any photography or video.
You under arrest, sugar.
And this is my playbook, which I kept, but I wasn't really allowed to show you any parts of the show. It was an excellent show, and I would highly recommend this for anybody that goes there. If you can afford it, sit closer to the front. On my way out, I looked at some of their displays of puppets and costumes. I then went down the escalator and back out to Times Square to my next destination. Whee! My next destination was also in Times Square, and that destination was Junior's Bakery and Restaurant. This is a very large deli, bakery, and restaurant with all kinds of food. The menu is very large. They have appetizers, soup, all the standard, salad, specials for lunch, Reuben sandwich, also popular in New York City, steaks, different types of sandwiches, traditional sandwiches, sensational sandwiches, chef specialties, seafood, even barbecue. They have a menu for kids, and desserts, which I also tried. So I started my quest with a Nova bagel platter, which is $23.95, which consisted of smoked salmon, cream cheese, tomatoes and lettuce, red onions, capers, on an open-faced bagel. And I had to assemble this all by myself for $23.95. Looking at this scrumptious sandwich, it has a beautiful bagel, nice tomato, onions, thick lox. This is wonderful. It tastes absolutely fresh. It's delicious. Thick cuts of everything. Delicious everything bagel. Very fresh tasting. This seemed to be more fresh tasting and a little more flavorful than the other two that I tried. This was $23.95, was very expensive, but I thought it tasted better than the other two. And I'm going to give this my number 1 spot for the best bagel in New York City that I've tasted so far. Now, before I left, I had to try some cake, so I tried the carrot cake cheesecake for $8.95, which is carrot cake and layers of thick, sweet cheese. This is really good. Lots of the sweet cream cheese. The carrot cake is not too spicy. This is really, really good if you like carrot cake and you also like cheesecake. I'm going to give this 8.5 chef's hats out of 10. I definitely would try this again. So that's my review of the best lox bagel in New York City that I tried. Please hit that like and subscribe button so I can bring you more fun and entertaining content. Please comment below whether you like lox bagels, have been to New York City, or been to any of these places. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on a new adventure.